Hi, I'm Manel at Four Seasons Sales in Virden, Manitoba, and today I want to go over the Keystone Cougar series, or more specifically, one of our most popular floor plans, which is the 29 RLI. This 29 RLI floor plan is everything you could want and more in a half-ton towable premium fifth wheel. It weighs in at just under 8,900 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,630 pounds, and the overall length is going to be 32 feet and 9 inches. Just for a moment, I want to draw attention to the brand new facelift that the Cougar series has received for the 2023 model year. As you can see, the exterior is now a beautiful, bright white and silver, which is very eye-catching and, dare I say, elegant. It stands out quite a bit compared to a lot of its older versions of itself and a lot of its competitors. Now, as we take for the inside of the 29 RLI, I want to point out a few of Keystone's or Keystone Cougar's exclusive features, as well as what makes the 29 RLI so popular and so very desirable. For starters, let's talk about this optimal layout. With all of these large windows and a double wide slide all on your camp side, that means that your view is all on you, not the trees, not your neighbors, all on your campsite, which means you can see your kids, your bonfire, your barbecue, your action. Now, there is one exclusive that I am super excited to talk about, because if you want a coach that's going to stand the test of time, Cougar has it down pat. Keystone has engineered what they call hyperdeck flooring, which is put in all of their Cougar Half Ton series. This flooring is made of all inorganic materials. Simply put, there's no wood or other materials that are more susceptible to water damage and deterioration over time. Hyperdeck flooring is comprised of 4 layers. Number 1, fiberglass reinforced polypropylene. 2, a high-density foam core. 3rd layer, thermoplastic base layer. And the 4th is a protective film to resist against road damage. Now, all of these together are going to help make the floor both moisture and water resistant and resistant to overall damages like soft spots.